The Indo-Pacific just got a wake-up call. Indonesia is doubling down on its naval ambitions. Jakarta has signed for 2 more Merah Putih frigates, bringing the total to 4, a bold declaration from the world's largest archipelago. Indonesia is building a modern navy on its own terms, and the commitment is real. This move signals Indonesia's determination to protect its vast maritime territory, thousands of islands and vital sea lanes. Now, it's about standardization and power. Indonesia is making it clear. It's a maritime power, ready to defend its interests. When leaders speak, they'll be backed by a fleet of state-of-the-art warships. The Merah Putih program is more than a fleet expansion. It's a signal to the world. This isn't about a few new boats, it's a transformation of Indonesia's naval power. The Merah Putih program is the backbone of Indonesia's minimum essential force strategy, a multi-decade plan to modernize the military. These frigates are a leap in firepower, surveillance, and operational reach for the TNI-AL. Indonesia's geography, over 17,000 islands and a maritime zone larger than India, demands serious capability. The Merah Putih frigate is built for endurance, harsh conditions, and multi-mission warfare, anti-air, anti-surface, and anti-submarine. This isn't just about numbers, it's about real, high-end capability where it matters most. The drive is fueled by necessity, piracy, illegal fishing, and regional tensions, and by aspiration, national pride, and leadership. Jakarta wants to be seen as a regional leader and a reliable partner. A powerful navy is essential to that status. These new frigates are the result of years of planning and strategic thinking. It's a nation of 270 million taking control of its destiny. Billions are being invested to protect Indonesia's home, project influence, and secure the future. This is not a fleeting gesture. It's a structural shift in Indonesia's global posture. The consequences will echo for decades. The Merah Putih program is about building a credible, professional, and advanced force. Indonesia is making sure its navy is ready for the challenges ahead. Merah Putih, red and white, the name of Indonesia's flag, now emblazoned on its most advanced warships. These frigates are more than military assets, they're floating symbols of national pride and unity. Built at home, not bought secondhand, they mark a new era of ownership and capability. For decades, Indonesia's navy relied on foreign vessels. Now, it's building its own, rewriting the narrative. The launch of these ships will be a national event, celebrating Indonesian engineering and determination. The Merah Putih name connects the ship directly to the people. It's their ship, built by their hands, for their waters. This sense of ownership forges a powerful bond between the military and the public. The program is more than procurement. It's nation building. It's about confidence, capability, and showing the world what Indonesia can achieve. When these frigates sail, they'll carry more than weapons. They'll carry the hopes of a proud, maritime nation. The Merah Putih is a constant reminder: Indonesia is unified, resilient, and ready to lead in the Indo-Pacific. This is a story of empowerment and self-reliance. The shift from buyer to builder is a turning point for Indonesia's industry and identity. These ships are a testament to what's possible when a nation believes in itself. The Merah Putih program is a rallying point for national pride. It's about more than steel and sensors. It's about Indonesia's future, and that future is being forged right now. How is Indonesia making this leap? Through smart international partnerships. The Merah Putih frigate is based on the UK's Arrowhead 140 design, a proven, reliable platform. By licensing this design, Indonesia avoids the risks and costs of starting from scratch. The Arrowhead 140 is already trusted by the Royal Navy, giving Indonesia a head start. But it's not just British know-how. Turkey is providing the advanced combat systems, including missiles and electronics. Turkish firms like Havelsan and Roketsan bring cutting-edge, cost-effective technology to the table. This hybrid approach gives Indonesia top-tier capability without being locked into a single supplier. The real magic happens at home. PT PAL in Surabaya is building the ships with direct technology transfer from Babcock. Indonesian engineers are learning world-class shipbuilding skills, building long-term industrial strength. This three-way partnership, UK design, Turkish systems, Indonesian industry, is a model for modern defense acquisition. It's not just about buying ships, it's about gaining the knowledge to build and maintain them. Indonesia is leveraging global expertise while building its own future. This strategy ensures Indonesia can upgrade and sustain its fleet for generations. The Merah Putih program is about more than ships, it's about national capability. Indonesia is setting itself up as both a naval power and a future producer. Building a modern warship at PT PAL is a feat of engineering and coordination. It starts with steel cutting, then assembling massive blocks like a high-tech Lego set. Modular construction speeds up the process and boosts efficiency. As the hull forms, teams install engines, cables, and systems with military precision. Technology transfer from partners is crucial. Local workers are mastering advanced shipbuilding skills. Once the ship is watertight, it's launched, then fitted out with radars, weapons, and electronics. Rigorous harbor and sea trials follow, testing every system to the limit. Only after passing all tests is the ship commissioned into the Navy. Each step builds Indonesia's industrial strength and technical know-how. The journey from blueprint to battleship is long, but it's transforming Indonesia's capabilities. The Merah Putih program is about more than ships. It's about building a nation's future. Every frigate launched is a leap forward for Indonesian industry. The Merah Putih program is a clean break from Indonesia's patchwork navy of the past. For decades, the fleet was a mix of second-hand ships from around the world, a logistical nightmare. Different engines, systems, and training made maintenance costly and operations complicated. Standardizing with the Merah Putih frigate streamlines everything. Maintenance, training, and deployment. More ships will be ready for action, not stuck waiting for rare parts. This shift is about moving from follower to leader in naval technology. No more hand-me-downs. Indonesia is building some of Southeast Asia's most advanced warships. The new fleet is a force multiplier, boosting readiness and effectiveness. It's a declaration. Indonesia is done settling for less. The future Navy will be first-rate, homegrown, and ready for any challenge. The Merah Putih program is an engine for Indonesia's economy and technology. It's creating thousands of skilled jobs, not just at PT PAL, but across a network of local suppliers. Building these ships drives investment in new machinery, training, and advanced manufacturing. The skills learned spill over into other industries, raising Indonesia's industrial game. A strong domestic defense industry means more self-sufficiency and less reliance on foreign suppliers. Local companies gain experience, opening doors to future exports. This is about strategic independence and economic growth. The benefits will last long after these frigates are in service. The program is an investment in people, skills, and national strength. Indonesia is building more than ships. It's building a foundation for the future. Real power comes from mastering the knowledge to produce, not just buy. 4 new frigates send a clear message to the world. For allies, it's proof Indonesia is stepping up as a serious security partner in the Indo-Pacific. A stronger navy means a more stable region and a more capable ASEAN leader. For rivals, it's a warning. Indonesia has the will and means to defend its maritime rights. The Merah Putih frigates raise the cost of any aggression, deterrence in action. This isn't about seeking conflict, but about preventing it through credible strength. Indonesia is positioning itself as the security anchor of Southeast Asia. The move encourages regional modernization and integration. Ultimately, Indonesia is charting its own course, self-reliant, confident, and ready to lead. These ships are instruments of policy, projecting strength and sovereignty across the waves. The road ahead isn't easy. Building advanced warships is a massive challenge. The first 2 frigates, started in 2023 and 2024, are the test case. Lessons learned will shape the construction of the next 2, but delays are likely. The first ship is expected by 2028, with the rest following into the 2030s. This is a long-term project, demanding political will, funding, and technical skill. Managing international supply chains and integrating complex systems are major hurdles. PT PAL must keep developing its workforce and project management. Success will prove Indonesia's industrial and strategic ambition. The order for more ships shows commitment. This is the new standard. As experience grows, construction will accelerate. The Merah Putih program is laying the foundation for Indonesia's future as a naval power, and maybe even a warship exporter. These frigates are just the beginning of a new era for Indonesia's navy.